personal care encompasses a lot of what companion care does, but more personal, right? So with companion care, your caregiver is going to come out and they're going to help you with all your activities of daily living, right? So you're bathing, you're dressing, helping you put your shoes on, your socks on, getting those places in your back that you can't reach when you're in the shower or bending over to get your feet and things of that nature. They'll also help you to do your laundry, make your bed, prepare your meals, help set your appointments, and help you with your walker as you maneuver through your apartment or while you're outside. So it does include companion care, but it's more personal in terms of your showers and your baths and things of that nature.